So welcome to today's video. This video I'm going to be doing a breakdown on how I created this Alumo product manipulation. I got some requests asking on how I created this. I'm going to do a little breakdown on how I was able to achieve this. So I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. Without any further ado, let's get started. So yeah, welcome back to this video. I turned off all the layers, so let me turn off this. So this is our white canvas. So first of all, I started with this right here. It was actually generated with AI. The prompt is going to be in a document file in the description, and also the PSD file for you to be able to download it. So I started with this, so I generated this with image effects by Google. I have some videos talking about image effects. So I generated this with image effects, then I added the Alumo bottle here. Then I added curves. I added a curve adjustment. Added an exposure. So you can see the exposure. Then also added another curve for the shadows. Another curve for the yellow and so the green, also give you like an orange feel. And I added a hue saturation, then with saturation and also a color feel to create an highlight by this side. Then I also added another curve to give it a rim light. Then I added some shadows. So I maxed this out. So I maxed this out so to be on top of the bottle, that the roots can cover the bottle. Then I also did the same thing here. So I did some generative some contact aware fill. Then I added some colors to balance the shadows. Then also did another one down. Then you can see that the curve adjustment layer for shadow, another curve still. And also added this one for the orange and the yellow feel. Then I added highlights on them. I boosted the highlights. Then I added the photo filter. Then a color feel. I just want this not to be long, it's just a breakdown video. You can download the PSD file and explore with it. So I added this, but I got it from the Benny Optics pack. Then I added the stars. Then I changed the color to orange. Then this is what I used to check my color. I used 50% gray to check my colors and everything. Now added the brightness, added a little bit of shadow here using my color fill, boosted the shadow, added a yellow light here. So I gave it a camera raw filter. So this is a camera raw filter, so let me just open the camera raw real quick. So like I said, I don't want this video to be long. You can check out the full project on Instagram. You can check out the project on my Instagram. So play it around with the contrast, with the curves, then also a little bit of I need to touch the color grading. Added some details to it, some optics, distortion, vintage, and so on. So that is it for the camera raw filter. Then I increased the size a little bit, did some contact aware fill. Then I also gave it some blur and I increased the size a little bit. So initially I added the text first, I removed the text alongside. So this is the final result I got. So you can download the PSD file and also the text prompts I used to generate this. So Thank you for watching this video. Enjoying this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Do also subscribe to this channel if you're new, and turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to drop a comment and share. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.